and we are going to think about the unknowingly happened, the last two sentences unknowingly taken, that Indio-Pakistan, that one, that is another portion, very sorry. And the Chevroi Hills and the Javedi Hills are located in the southeast of the Eastern Ghat and locate the Eastern Ghat and locate the famous hill station Udagamandalam, or popularly known as Ooty and Kodaikanal, that is both of the hill stations in Tamil Nadu. So you are famous, very familiar with that one. That is the hill station real name. It is Udagamandalam, and normally we are calling it Ooty and Kodaikanal. That is the famous hill station. Even European people, American people, they are coming and staying for many days or even months. Then we are going to think about the characteristics, features of the peninsular plateau. We said about the boundaries and other things. Now we are going to think about the major characteristics. What are the major characteristics or features of peninsular plateau? Each and every sentence, it is very important. And the peninsular plateau, one first specialty, it is with black soil area, and it is known as Deccan Trap. The peninsular plateau is the color of the soil that was in black color, and we are calling it is Deccan Trap. And this is of volcanic origin. Hence the rocks are igneous, because the presence of igneous rock in the Deccan Plateau area or in the this peninsular plateau area. So from that we can understand this plateau formed with the presence of volcano eruption. And actually these rocks are denuded over time and are responsible for the formation of the black soil, because the volcano that rocks formed, and it is may come to the slowly made like a small grains or like a soil, and that's why this black color formed there in the especially in the Deccan Plateau. And the Aravalli Hills lies on the western and northwestern margin of the peninsular plateau, and these are highly eroded hills. The Aravalli Hills, we know that Aravalli Hills area there is no much rain nowadays, but we know that is the maximum eroded hill. The soil of the hill, it is eroded with wind as well as rain, and these are highly eroded hills and are found in as a broken hill. Now we can't say like that Aravalli Hills like that, there is no rainfall at all, and trees also can't grow there. That is the condition of Aravalli Hills. Then they extend from Gujarat to Delhi in the northwest, southwest to northwest direction. And when we are looking in the map, we can see the Aravalli Hills, it is not like other hills. We can see the position of the Aravalli Hills like this. It is from southwest to northeast side. That's why what is happening, why the desert is formed here in Rajasthan area, because of the hill shape of the hill. Other hills, if you are looking here, the Western Ghat, it is striking the winds which is coming from Arabian Sea and even from Indian Ocean and striking here and getting rainfall here. And when we are thinking about Eastern Ghat also like this, the winds which is coming from Bay of Bengal as well as Indian Ocean, it will struck here and we will get rainfall here. And rest of the winds, it is overcoming the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, moving to north side. The north side, it is striking on the Vindhya and Satpura hills and Mahadev hills. They are getting rainfall here, this area. And when it is moving to north again, in both side we can see it is striking this north, which is going through northeast side, it will go and struck on the Himalayan ranges and they will get rainfall here. And which is coming to the near to the Aravalli Hills, it will also move to the northwest and northeast side, and it will go and struck on the Himalayan rivers. It won't struck here because the shape of the hill is like this, in parallel to the wind which is coming, so they won't get any rainfall here. So slowly the desert formed there, and nowadays we can see the part of Gujarat also becoming desert area. So we discuss about the Deccan Plateau, Peninsular Plateau and its divisions, and what are the hill stations, and why it is black soil we can see there in the peninsular plateau, and we know the black soil is very good for cotton plantation that we have studied in 8th standard when we studied geography of that soil type. That time we studied about that the black soil, the agriculture lesson we studied about the cotton agriculture, cotton plantation that is in the Deccan area or the plateau area because of the presence of black soil. So by this we are stopping this video. We'll continue in next video.